Good morning, students of class ninth. In term second, in term 2 in mathematics, we have factorization of polynomials at the first chapter for term second. We have discussed in offline classes about polynomials having positive power and integral exponent is called a polynomial. But now in online classes we are starting factorization of polynomials. You can use S or Z. Factorization of polynomials. So students, we have to know about some basic identities. As you all know, a plus b whole square is given by a square plus 2ab plus b square. But in this chapter, the structure will be of this type: a square plus 2ab plus b square, and you have to write that in a plus b whole square form because we are going to factorize. A minus b whole square is given by a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole cube is given by a cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b and b cube. Similarly, just write down in your notebook because here structure will be of this type. In given problem, the question will be of this structure and you have to write down that in this fashion or in this manner. So just write down and remember these formulas for being good in factorization of polynomials. A minus b whole cube is given by a cube minus 3ab in brackets a minus b minus b cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. The fourth formula and after that fifth formula is for factors of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is written as a plus b in first bracket and second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. In case of a cube plus b cube, second bracket contains minus ab. Just write down. I will rub them. Write down. A plus b whole square, a square 2ab b square, and then a plus b whole cube. We have all positive signs. So you all have note down now. The further formula or sixth formula is about a cube minus b cube or factors of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is given by a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. In case of minus sign, here all positive sign. In case of positive sign, here is negative sign. And first bracket is same as the formula. The seventh formula is for a plus b plus c whole square. That is given by a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And the final formula special formula for you is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in the first bracket. In second bracket we have a square b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So these are 8 given formulas. By using these 8 algebraic identities, we will find the factors of at least 8 types. There is one more important factorization method, that is midterm split. One I have left, that is also very common. A square minus b square type. One more, it is a plus b into a minus b. So just write down, I will rub it. There is one special case for this a cube, b cube, c cube and minus 3abc type. If sum of these three numbers means a plus b plus c becomes equal to 0, then this whole RHS or right hand side will be equal to 0. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0, or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is exactly equal to 3abc. It is a special case of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So just note down and remember all these algebraic identities for your lifetime use. It will be used throughout your life whenever you will solve algebra. So students, now we are going to take some examples based on these formulas. Write down in your notebook. The first question for you is factorize x square minus 49. Factorize x square minus 49. So x is x square and 49 is 7 square. This is the difference of two squares, and difference of two squares, a square minus b square, is written as a plus b into a minus b. X plus 7 into x minus 7. This is first problem. So in this problem, it was easy to identify 7 square. In the similar manner, the question can be written as 3x square minus 147. 3x square minus 147. It is also the same problem. So students, in case of factorization, we first take common whatever the term is common. Here 3 is common and x square minus 49. Okay. Now write down x square and 7 square 3 times a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, x plus 7 into x minus 7. So these will be the factors for this problem. Now try by yourself 2x square minus 32. 2x square minus 32. Okay, you all are too good in mathematics. Just take 2 common. 2 is common. X square minus 16. 16 is 4 square. Good. 16 is 4 square. So the answer will be 2 in brackets x plus 4 and x minus 4. Am I right? 2 in brackets x square minus 16. After that x square minus 4 square. 2 common, x plus 4 into x minus 4. Here is the answer. So students, just try to solve the problems by yourself. You can also ask the doubts by your respective teacher. And the doubts will be taken in the next lecture. So thank you very much for watching this video. Try some more problems of similar kind, or 8 type of formulas I have told you. So try by yourself and ask doubts. I will continue these factorization problems by your book R.S. Agarwal. So follow the book and continue to watch the online videos. Thank you.